Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall the KB5074105 update on Windows 11. If this update is causing problems on your PC, follow these steps and you'll be able to remove it easily. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu. Click on Settings. Now select Windows Update. Inside Windows Update, click on Update History. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Click on Uninstall Updates. In the list of installed updates, locate KB5074105. Once you find it, click Uninstall. A confirmation window will appear. Click Uninstall again. Windows will now remove the update, along with its related information. Wait for the update to finish uninstalling. Once it's done, restart your PC to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled the KB5074105 update on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.